Hi, I'm Dr. Arvind. I'm the founder and CEO of Muse Diagnostics. We are the creators of TAL Digital Stethoscope. For over 150 years, doctors have used stethoscopes to listen to the sounds of the heart and lungs, which helps them diagnose disease. A quarter of the world today suffers from either heart or lung disease, and particularly now during the coronavirus pandemic, which affects the lungs, there is only one medical device that can actually monitor it, the stethoscope. However, traditional stethoscopes cannot store or analyze sound data, which is a critical part of modern medical diagnostics. Real-world situations where stethoscopes are used are noisy environments, so faint body sounds can easily be missed or misheard. That's why we built TAL Digital Stethoscope. TAL has active noise cancellation to remove environmental noise, volume control to hear faint sounds, and modes that allow specific organs to be heard prominently. Most importantly, TAL allows data to be transferred to its app, where it can be shared, stored, or analyzed. Unlike other digital stethoscopes, TAL is designed to capture a quality of sound that is similar to traditional stethoscopes being used in a quiet environment. And this quality has attracted three major market segments to our product. Healthcare education, which we have found to be our minimum viable segment. Telemedicine, which is the fastest growing segment due to the coronavirus pandemic. And primary healthcare, where we feel TAL can have the biggest impact. As part of our go-to-market, we're using a few core marketing strategies that helps us target these segments. We are particularly focused on the healthcare education market, where professors are unable to teach stethoscope use to classes with many students. TAL's price point at $100 is not only affordable and scalable, but as a device, it has gross margins of almost 70%. Our app subscription services allows our revenue to scale exponentially over time. And in the long term, metadata that we can get from our app can be monetized through licensing to research institutes or to pharmaceutical industry. While there are over 40 million doctors and nurses worldwide, we are looking to target the education market, which has over 1 million healthcare students. In the midterm, we also see the increasing potential of the consumer market. Last year alone, 20 million blood pressure machines were sold to consumers in the US, EU, and India. Currently, our sales prototype has been trialed in several major hospitals, and we are in the process of applying for our IP and international certifications. We are confident of selling over 15,000 digital stethoscopes in the first 2 years based on our demand. We are looking to raise $1 million at a $5 million post-money valuation. As CEO, I bring experience as a successful entrepreneur besides my medical background. My co-founder Sumukh has over a decade of audio engineering experience, and our engineering team bring over 20 years of corporate experience from Bosch and Texas Instruments. In 2018, we won a $70,000 grant from the Government of India to develop our working prototype. In 2019, this prototype won the American Society of Mechanical Engineers iShow competition, which gave us $10,000 and a trip to New York, where TAL was reviewed by prominent experts from GE Healthcare, Siemens, and Amazon Labs. And in 2020, we have accelerated our market entry as part of Brinc India's second cohort. Help us bring this 19th century tool into the 21st century with TAL Digital Stethoscope.